Happy Manic Monday, boys and girls. You don't look. You look good.
The kids pulled my hair out today.
You want me to beat them up?
Yeah,
You gonna drive old Blue in for me?
I don't wanna. Did you fix the dryer today?
No, I fixed the cat back over today. Nobody told me about the dryer. I've been busier than a contest today, boys. Oh, sorry. I have juice on my lip. Thank God for that thing today. It is a muggy. Now we had to move old Blue outside. We got a project coming. Well, here comes the next project. This band is a cat. Shaggy, do you even give a shit, Zach? We welded him up today. The old Lincoln tombstone never fails, boys. Nothing runs like a cat. There goes another satisfied customer right there. Went all through the fluids and all the levels on the write-off because we're going on a road trip tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm driving to Brian's farm in Ohio. Meet up with all my Ohio family. Mo, Joe, Eric, Brian. We're going to Bowling Green Wednesday morning. It's gonna be an epic event. Tony Reed and his beautiful wife Carolyn and their boy Bob is gonna be there. Nick McCormick and Stu, Red Power 560. COVID-19, Danny and Liv. Gary Donovan, Road Plates. Iron Mike Sharp, Big Dad. I might even bring my wig and my electric wig. Shaggy doesn't care which chair. He doesn't give anywhere. Amazon driver just called me. Your dogs are jumping all over and barking. Maybe you shouldn't be delivering packages. Maybe you should work at Walmart as a greeter, you little. So here we go. Once it just spiraled. So my good friends and neighbors next door, Amanda Burns, got hold of me and said, "Hey, can you promote our Susquehanna County livestock sale Saturday at 10 a.m. at the Harford Fair, Harford, PA. I'm obviously going to be in Bowling Green, so take over to Harford. Steers, pigs, calves, giraffes. I don't give a go buy
For the kids. No. Some livestock for the 4-H kids.
Blister just got home with some bush apple. Now, thank God Blister's bringing old Blue back into her natural habitat. Honey, I'm leaving you tomorrow and I'm going to Ohio.
Good thing I'm sick of hauling it.
How about it? I'll see you